welcome Crack Open the Card podcast. I'm Aya as your host today, and this time we will talk about something really interesting, which is online shopping versus offline shopping. Which side are you guys? Online or offline shopping? I think that both online and offline shopping is good. And today we will talk directly with seller and buyer from both sides. So let's hang on your seat. Also, thank you to our sponsor, Law Coffee. If you want to hang out or just drink a coffee, you could come to here. Please come our guests. So, as our guests are already come, let's get to know each other before we start. Here is Zaidan, an online seller who always ready to ship items to everywhere, and Rizky, an offline seller who always loyal to taking care of store.
Hello everyone. Gosh, I'm so happy to be on here.
Hello guys, thanks for inviting me. This is such a cool topic. I'm happy that I can talk about this topic.
Oh, not just that. There is also a cool buyer from both sides. Please welcome Zadwa and Dini.
Hello everyone, it's fun that I can talk about shopping.
Hi everyone, thanks Aya for inviting me here.
And how are you guys?
I'm good.
So, without waiting any longer, let's just get started. Zaidan, as an online seller, what is the pleasure of online selling?
As for online selling, the pleasure is the flexibility. The store is open for 24 hours. We could reach many people to see our product. The fee is also lower. We don't need to rent a building or even pay electricity. It's very economical.
Wow, it's very practical from what I heard. Rizky, as an offline seller, what making offline store still have attractiveness rather than online store?
If you are shopping on offline store, your shopping experience is irreplaceable. The buyer can see the product, try on if they need, and ask to directly to us. If buying an expensive items, the buyer usually more comfortable if they could hold the product first and make sure before buying.
Yeah, that's right. And now from the buyer perspective, what about you, Zadwa? As an online buyer, what do you like the most from online shopping?
Well, I really like online shopping because it's more practical. You call shopping anytime and everywhere. You don't need to leave your house to shops. There's also many options. You just click, pay, and the items is arrived at your homes. Especially if there's discount and promo, I'm really happy.
The benefits of online shopping, right? And Dini, how about shopping on offline store? What is the reason that making you still choosing offline store rather than online store?
I like to see the items directly, especially if the items is quite expensive, like buying skincare or makeup. We must check the items if it's okay or not, and we could also ask directly to the seller.
We have heard the benefits from both sides. And now, Zaidan, what is the biggest challenges that you face when doing online selling? The same question goes for you, Rizky. What is the biggest challenges that you've ever faced when doing offline selling?
There's a lot of challenge actually. One of them is expedition problem. Sometimes item could be delayed or even worse, the items can be broke when it arrives to buyer hands. And then not a few are still in doubt buying items by online calls. They can see the items or try it on.
Right. On the offline store, there's also some challenge. Sometimes the buyer decreases, so the seller's turnover could also decreases. Then we can show all of our products because the area is limited. While in online store, there is much more options.
That was such a cool insight. And lastly, for Zadwa and Dini as a buyer, if you're confused to buy items, would you prefer buying on online store or offline store?
If the items are simple like books or accessories, it's better to buy it online. But if there's something that needs to be tried or expensive item, it's better to go offline store.
For me, same with Zadwa. If the items are needed to try on, it's better to went to offline store directly. But if it's just a little things and doesn't need to try on, online store is much better. Just click and done.
So, from what we heard, we could conclude that both online and offline shopping has plus minus. There's nothing wrong staying on your comfort zone. It just depends on our needs. Big thanks to Zaidan, Rizky, Zadwa, and Dini, who have sharing their incredible experience today. For you guys who have listened, don't forget to follow this podcast, so you won't be miss any exciting episode. I'm Aya as your host. See you on the next episode. Thank you all.